Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are hitting glutes with body weight. All you're gonna need is a yoga mat. I've got 5 exercises picked out for us. We are only using body weight and we are only gonna be staying on the mat. Before we get started, don't forget March calendar is available. Click the link in the description box down below and sign up for your calendar. If you already signed up, you're gonna get it in your inbox today. If you haven't seen it, because they go out at 6 a.m., then check your promotions and check your spam. Let's get into this. Okay, we are going to start off with glute bridges. So lying down flat on your back, just like this. Feet are shoulder width apart. We are going to be lifting our toes off the ground, so focusing on heels down. We're going to be focusing also here, instead of arching the back, put your back flat on the floor. You try saying that. Okay, you know what I'm saying. Put it back on the floor, nice and flat. Then we are going to come up, squeeze at the top, lower it down, and squeeze at the top. This is the motion, this is the form. Remember, when you bring your bottom down, don't do this. You want to keep your core nice and tight and engaged, coming up and lowering here. Back is flat, not fat, baby. We are going to be doing this for 1 minute and then switching. We've got 5 exercises, no breaks, 1 60-second rest, and then repeating the same 5, and let's get started. Also, if you have your watch on, let's turn that on. Here we go. Be mindful of your core. Keep it nice and tight. Squeeze those glutes at the top, you guys. Good job. Keep going, 10 seconds. Great job. No rest here. We're going to take one leg, hovering over. Same thing here. Put the foot down though. So this foot will be flat on the ground. This leg is going to come out and we're going to thrust single leg glute bridges. Core is still tight, back is still flat. 30 seconds on each side. Here we go. Really pushing up from the heel of this foot. Okay, I have my left foot down, so I'm pushing up from that left heel, really activating that glute. Let's go, guys. You got this. Almost there. This is just 30 seconds. Great job. We're going to go ahead and switch sides. Foot's down, core is tight, leg is out. Try not to raise this leg too high. Just keep it nice and neutral. Good job. To be doing kneeling squats. So I'm gonna go ahead and face the wall here. Feet are coming together like so in the V shape. Sit back, nice wide stance, knees are out. Come up and squeeze. When you come back to sit, don't sit directly on your feet. Keeping your back nice and straight in your posture, shoulders back, up and down. Don't lean forward and keep your core nice and tight. We got a minute here. But the activation is right here. Up, Flex here, up. Flex at this position, up. Good job, guys. Don't lean forward. Shoulders are nice and back, core is tight. Into fire hydrants with a kick. We've done these before. We are going to come into this position down on all fours. Remember, we don't want our back to do this, and we don't want to do this. Nice and neutral. For this exercise, fire hydrant, kick, come in. Remember, guys, it can be very challenging if you don't have a strong core. But don't lean like this, okay? I see a lot of people leaning like this and then kicking. You don't move this part of the body. It's all lower body. If you have to, look straight ahead at a point on the floor. Lock in your gaze. We're gonna do 30 seconds on each side. Let's get started here. Remember, don't dip your back. Good job. Kick out as high as you can kick. Ooh, I really feel it. That's nice. Good job, guys. Great job. Let's go ahead and switch sides. Same thing here. This is focusing on that side glute right there. Open up those hips as wide as you can. Great job. Go ahead. Last exercise we're going to be doing donkey kicks here. So into this position, but we're going to be doing pulses. So here and pulse. Pulse. Foot never goes down, just like this. Let's get started. 30 seconds each leg. This is a super beginner workout, you guys. I'm starting off the month nice and light. Keep your core tight. Don't dip your back. If I see you doing this, it's over. I'm firing you from my channel. Block. Here we go, guys. Keep that foot like this. Toe is pointing down. Heel is pointing up, nice firm foot. Good job. Let's go ahead and switch. 30 seconds, same thing. Foot is nice and pointed down. Point that toe. Do not dip your back in. And core is tight. We're almost done. Then we're gonna have a 1-minute rest. Let's take a 1 minute, starting here. All right, so I did a vote. While we're taking a rest, I'm gonna talk. I did a vote on the community tab here for the new backdrop. So this is a different wall. I'm in a different place, new apartment. And so if you check out the community tab, there were 2 backdrops. Yeah, 2. No, there's 4. There's 2 backdrops that I liked. And I chose one. I'm super excited. So we're gonna have a new backdrop, no more logo. I love my logo. We're sticking with the same logo, but the backdrop just needs to be a little bit better. Not that my logo is not good, but it's just gonna look way more girly and just look more put together. So I'm excited about that. We've got 10 seconds left. Okay, guys, you know the routine, you know the form. I'm not gonna talk this round. Let's just go through it. No breaks. I forgot my heels. Oops. Don't forget your heels, guys. the exercise correctly. If you have to go slow, go slow. It's not about going fast if your form is terrible. Guys, keep it up. One more exercise. Here we go. Pulsing. Foot down, point it down. Keep your core tight, no dipping. Good job. You know the drill. That leg high up there. Next side, last 30 seconds. Here we go. All right, guys, that's the workout for today. Don't forget, get your March calendar and do a lower body stretch out. I will leave a video here on the screen. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications to train with me every day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.